Ready to turn dirt into dollars? Find out how you can start a profitable cleaning business with less than $100. Hello, my name is Cece, and welcome to Inside Your Hustle, where we talk about potential ways to make you some side money and save you some money as well. Are you ready?
Yeah!
Hit it! Starting with just $100 in cleaning supplies can make big bank, just like Amber Starling.
My name is Amber Starling. I founded Good Witch Cleaning Services about 2.5 years ago.
Through smart marketing and reinvestment, she scaled her venture to generate $400,000 in revenue in just 1 year. Amber's story highlights the power of hard work and innovation in business. Starting a cleaning business on a budget? No problem, I got you. Here are the top 5 must-have cleaning tools to get the job done without breaking the bank, counting down to the absolutely best. Number 5, the scrub brush. $5, come on, because sometimes that elbow grease alone isn't enough. A solid scrub brush helps tackle stubborn grinds on floors, towels, and tubs like a pro. Number 4, microfiber cleaning cloths. $12 for a whole pack. These magic cloths grab dust, polish surfaces, and even wipe away spills without streaks. Bonus, they're washable and reusable, saving you money in the long run. Number 3, disinfectant spray or wipes. About $8. The ultimate germ fighter. Whether you're sanitizing countertops, door handles, or bathroom surfaces, this is your best friend for a squeaky clean finish. Number 2, mop with refillable spray bottle. About $20. Say goodbye to dragging around that heavy bucket. This mop lets you spray and clean in one go, making floors sparkle in half the time. And number 1, a vacuum. You can do a rental or a basic handheld vac for about $15. The MVP of cleaning. Whether it's carpet, furniture, or hard to reach corners, a vacuum is a game changer for making spaces look spotless fast. With these 5 essential tools, you're ready to roll out a professional cleaning service without spending a fortune. Here are 4 effective and affordable places to advertise your brand new cleaning business: Facebook Marketplace and local groups. Post your services on Marketplace and join community groups to connect with local clients. Flyers and business cards in high traffic areas. Distribute flyers at grocery stores, libraries, coffee shops, or even laundromats. Nextdoor app. Come on now, download that right now. Use this hyper-local platform to advertise directly to neighbors looking for reliable cleaning services. And Google My Business. Create a free profile to make your business discoverable through local searches and Google Maps. All right? Those are 4 ways you can advertise your cleaning business. Somebody else that made this work began with a Reddit post that turned into a $1.2 million a year cleaning empire. Neil started with made this with just $800 while juggling a private equity job, specializing in Airbnb and residential cleanings. Made This has generated over $10 million. Do you hear me? $10 million in revenue, and is now franchising as the first vacation rental focused cleaning business. Proof that small starts can lead to big wins. There's also Janelka and Anthony, who turned a simple cleaning business into their ticket to financial freedom with no prior experience. They started a residential cleaning service, scaled it up, and used the profits to wipe out $114,000 in debt. Now they've saved over $400,000, proving that a mop and a mission can change your life. Check it out.
We started a 7-figure cleaning business with no experience. We chose a service-based business because we knew it would always be around, it was a low-cost startup, and we leveraged other people's time to do the work for us.
Thank you for watching. And if you enjoyed this info, don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe, share, hit that notification bell so that you can learn more about other side hustles that you could turn into your main hustle. Now let me know in the comments down below. You're going to be trying your own cleaning business? Come on, I know you got this. Try this out. This might be for you. And remember, you are amazing. Bye-bye.